What's going on, guys? It's Jay, that drain guy. We're here with Courtney today, and we're going to be teaching him how to snake out a toilet. Let's see what we find. Hi, it's the plumbers. Yeah, for your toilet. I can't hear you, sorry about that. No problem. Hello.
Hi, the toilet was already fixed.
It was already fixed?
Yeah.
Oh, really, eh?
I thought that was...
No.
Oh.
I don't know. Did you want us to take a look at it, or you say it's fine?
You can take a look at it,
Yeah.
but like, the problem is it gets clogged frequently.
Oh, yeah?
But like every time somebody takes a look at it, they say there's nothing wrong with it, but it gets clogged like all the time.
Okay, let me auger it out, and I'll see what I can discover for you.
Okay.
All right? Just out of curiosity, do you take meds?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you think a lot of times people that take medications, it makes their bowel movements really hard? Would that be possible?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, so that's what could be clogging it.
Yeah.
Right? So you may need to look into maybe get like a fiber supplement. Okay? Just to kind of like a stool softener type of thing. Okay. And that may help. Right? But we're going to auger this out for you and make sure everything is running good, and we'll go from there.
Okay.
All right?
Yeah.
What was your name?
Hayden.
Hayden?
Yes.
I'm Jason. This is Courtney.
Hi, Jason. Hi, Courtney.
It's nice meeting you. Okay, so what you're going to do, you're going to unhook that, yeah. Pull the handle out. Just let that drop. Yeah. Pull the handle out. See the rubber boot, right? You're going to feed that through. Try not to scratch the bowl, right? Pull it out even more. Yep. Put the rubber boot in.
Like this?
Yep. Okay. And then stand it up more, like that. Okay. What I like to do is hold up here. Yeah. And then with this hand, what's your strong hand?
Right here.
Okay. So yeah, your left hand's there. Keep a hold of it, right? Like sturdy it, and spin clockwise. Yep. Give it some force if you need to.
Push it out too?
Yep.
Probably like this now.
Yeah. Yeah, keep going, keep going. Try pushing down a little bit more as well, and turning at the same time. Yeah, keep going. There you go, perfect. Okay, so now stop that. Flush the toilet. Just make sure everything's flushing properly. Okay. It's probably because the auger's in it.
Okay.
So pull it out. No, just like pull the handle up. Hold this down. Yeah, all the way. Yeah. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going.
That's it?
Okay, yeah. Pull it out. Try not to scratch the bowl. Okay, and then what you're gonna do, what I do,
The color change.
that's probably from the rust of the cable.
Okay.
What I like to do is sit it on the rim of the toilet.
Yeah.
Just kind of let it go. So now you're gonna grab the end of the auger in there, the cable, yeah. Hook it back up in here. Just give it a good pour. Now, since you got your gloves on, you're gonna lift it like this, throw your glove underneath it. You got your rubber gloves as well,
Yeah.
just so no water leaks. And you're gonna head out. All All right, Hayden. So, everything looks good. Okay, couple things. Make sure you try the fiber. Okay. Do you flush the wet wipes?
No.
Okay, make sure you don't, because those ones, even if a lot of wet wipes say flushable on them, but they don't break down, right? So they don't decompose.
Yeah, I don't believe them.
Well, that's it, exactly. So, so yeah, as long as you try those things, you should be good. Try the fiber though. That really may help, because I think I've been here. I don't know if you've been here before, but I know John's let me in before. So that may help with the fiber.
Yeah.
All right.
Okay, we'll look into the fiber.
All right.
I think there's a pharmacy around here that.
And yeah, just I don't know. Ask your doctor as well, right? Because like, or even the pharmacist. But yeah. So everything should be good.
Yeah.
Have yourself a good Christmas, okay, Hayden?
You too.
All right. Thank you very much. It's been a pleasure.
Bye, Courtney.
Yeah, nice meeting you.
Good meeting you.
All right. Take it easy, Hayden. Yeah. So there you go. Courtney learned how to use the auger today. Till next time, this has been Jay That Drain Guy signing out. Trug.